Hey guys, what's going on? So today we're making a video on getting one of our own Christmas tree from our yard. I thought I'd make one like all those hokey homesteaders do, where I have 12 minutes of nonsense before the actual video, switching around, showing some animals. They're not very calm and peaceful. There's Mom on the tractor again. Got some turkeys and chickens, guinea hens, mullet-haired kid. So yeah, I noticed a ton of these YouTube videos. Man, these pigs are loud. They just go on and on and on about all this stuff that has absolutely nothing to do with their title for like 20 minutes. And somehow these things are getting like 10,000 views each. I don't get it. Maybe it's because they're just super popular, but there's like no informational content, just a bunch of content. So I thought I'd make a video like that just so you guys could enjoy all the nonsense that I can provide you. Man, running around. We end up, I also noticed that they gave all their animals like cutesy names. So like this girl, we actually haven't named her. We'll call her Betty Lou or something silly. There's our goat that we had to put in here with the chickens. What's his name, Brownie? Mm-hmm. He actually has a cheesy name. So we call him Brownie because he keeps escaping. He's an escape artist, so we had to, woo! Oh, look at him run. Isn't that cute? Isn't this fun? Woo-wee! All right, so we're walking up our trail here. There's actually multiple ways, but there's actually a patch up this trail that looks pretty dang good. Went kind of exploring it yesterday, and it had a place where we thought we might be able to get a Christmas tree. So we decided to do the best we could with getting our own Christmas tree. This is our neighbor's yard. Kind of borders our property. You can see where all it's nasty is ours and where it's open is theirs. They come over, and this is kind of a shared road. We're not sure if it's ours or theirs. If you look at the GPS, it looks like it's ours, but they carved it out and did all the work. So we're gonna walk on it though. So we'll see. Our property kind of goes straight back and then opens way up. And we walk over here to where our trail is. We have a trail on our property. We brought the tractor over here so that we didn't have to carry it back, which is pretty cool because we probably would have ruined it carrying it back. Huh, boys? Yeah. All right, so the girls are over here with the tractor. Just turn the key, babe. All right, so that was your first time riding the tractor. What'd you think?
It's fun.
You liked it, huh?
It's a little scary, but it's fun.
Not too bad, huh? All righty, let's come over here. And this is kind of an area where we discovered yesterday where there were a lot of trees. Did we decide which one we wanted?
Double one.
Not the double one. We got to get one that's small enough to fit in our little house, too. Maisie is super excited about a live Christmas tree, aren't you? For some reason, she's like had a fake one her whole life. And she's like, I want a fake Christmas tree. So we will show you guys our selection. You guys like this little one right here? Too little. What? But it's nice and full. All right, which one are we guys looking at? Which one, Jackson? This one?
This one looks huge, though.
This one's just humongous. I don't think I would like that.
Double one, maybe.
It is the double one. It is a double tree, but it's like 2 trees. We don't have a stand for that. Actually, I've never really noticed a lot of pine trees that have like 2 trunks coming out of one trunk. They might have grown together. It's kind of cool. All right, so we're searching for the perfect Christmas tree in our little patch over here. Jackson, you want to grab the axe? What are we seeing? This one right here? What do you think of that one, May May?
That's small.
It's small? Well,
It can't be very big. We don't have a lot of space. Remember that corner we want to put it in? It has to be
it's semi-full, which is kind of
small.
good. I said semi.
And there's like, okay, we'll keep looking then.
So this one's kind of nice if we got it and we ended up trimming the bottom part off.
Yeah, that one's a pretty decent one. We would have to trim it off a lot.
Yeah, we'd have to trim off quite a bit. Good. All right, we're still searching. That's the goal.
This one's not bad.
That one's not too bad. It's kind of a Charlie Brown tree. So is that one back there.
Yeah.
I felt like we saw some better ones yesterday.
Yeah, they're good. We just need to pick one.
We do.
Yeah, this one
It's just too big.
is just good.
So what about this one back here? Ah,
That was cute. That's a pretty cute one.
it's kind of got full branching. There goes a rabbit. They hide as long as they can. I kind of like that one.
That one.
Okay. You like that one, babe?
What do you think, Maisie? It's pretty full. Everyone's in the way. Okay,
Come on back here.
Come here.
Come on, May May.
Jackson's annoying.
Oh, I know.
What do you think of that one? It'll work, right? Look how full it is.
Fine. She's being...
Then that is the winner. She says
Okay.
fine to something. Oh,
All
okay.
right. So, Jackson, go ahead and get this. Go ahead and get the axe.
And it's pretty thin too. I just don't want to be hard to cut down.
Get on that back
Yeah,
side and
shouldn't be bad.
swing at it. Oh,
Okay, watch out, Harley.
All right, ready, Jackson's gonna start swinging it down with the axe.
All right.
Yeah.
There, why don't you come around to this side? This side has a better, like if you stand right there on top of the weeds right there. But Jackson, go to the, oh, okay. Oh, that's a good idea.
Okay, Jackson, just take a good swing.
All right,
at it.
Jackson, now you can do it.
All right, you filming him?
Yep.
All right, you can even hit it. Just go low. Timber!
Nice.
All right. So,
It looks so good.
Riker, come up here and haul the, go put that in the
Looks better when it's
tractor.
laying down.
Are you
Come help Jackson
excited?
move this to the
Okay,
tractor.
be careful going back, Maisie. Let's go back and watch out for the thorns, okay? Yeah, I know. It's thorny out here.
Not full. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. I can't lift it up. There's too many branches out over here. Okay, Mama, go hop back on the tractor.
Okay.
Woo, sharp ones, huh? Yeah, Mom will tilt the bucket.
No, we'll put it right there. That'll be so it doesn't fall out.
Yeah, Mom will tilt the bucket though. You probably should have. You can start it now. So pull that back, yeah. Just keep going. You know what else we can do? We can just drift it forward across the front too. Other way. Do the back towards Mom. Do the bottom of it. Probably. All right, so back that thing up, babe. Well, it didn't break, even though she hit the fence. Totally hit the fence there. That's funny. Goat's like, what the heck? What the heck? There's our dry creek. Sad. Well, now she's starting to kick my butt. Let me get it on video in case you... Yep. I got it on video in case you roll. I got it on video in case you roll. She's worried about this. Go to the right a little bit. Go that way a little bit. Take it to the house, okay? That's good, babe. Woo-wee, here we go.
So get that out of the way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, May.
I just didn't want the tree falling on us.
Jackson's strong. Riker, why don't you twist a couple of them in too, okay? May, twist one in. Work as a team.
Team
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Look, it's a race. Who's winning? Who's winning the race?
I already won. I'm losing. I already finished.
You need to go more, May May.
No, she doesn't.
No?
No.
You think it's
We all need to catch up, and then we can tighten it in.
Is Harley
Riker,
losing?
You might be good.
Yeah, I'm losing.
Riker, you're good.
Hey Riker, you're good.
It's not.
Hey, but
Oh,
we
yeah,
need
let's
it
go
needs
over.
to fit in there so that we can
That's
tighten.
Make it center.
Okay, let's
Hey, I'll
see.
just move it.
Oh, I can smell the pine tree.
It's so pretty.
You might want to cut that lower branch.
Yeah.
We can always get the loopers, I guess.
Oh, it's not going any tighter. Oh shoot.
Mine's going.
Ah, dang it.
You may need to.
Get a cloth around it.
Hey, keep going, Riker. You can keep going. Keep going. Yeah.
Mine made it to the tree.
Yeah, mine made it.
Mine's going inside of the tree.
Yeah, it's okay. It's huge.
Well, we can always trim the bottom, but then we won't be
we're
able to
gonna
get...
need to do that.
Well, if we do, then it's not gonna be.
So this thing that
That
looked like a
won't fit
little
in our
tiny
house.
tree to us is way too big. That's hilarious.
You okay?
Did it poke you?
Oh,
So,
your
yeah.
tree did.
I think we're gonna need to. Or we can. Do you think we can cut off the top? Because we're gonna want that top part strong too.
What do you mean cut the top?
I mean, just a little bit. Instead of having it that. 'cause,
Yeah.
You know, our top
Yeah.
will fit
We can
on
do that.
But we're probably gonna
All right, guys. So we're gonna get some loopers here, and we're gonna trim it a bit. All right. Here's attempt number 2. That looks a little more manageable.
Yeah.
Still probably too tall, but we're about to find out, aren't we?
Well, we can cut that little. I want to make it a little stronger on top anyway.
Because we got a really cool Christmas tree topper.
That's right.
Anything else you want to do to form it? Like trim it, or does it just look good how it is?
I like
Looks
it.
good.
Okay, we're happy. We don't need a fancy shaped Christmas tree at our house.
Right.
We're fancy as it is. All right, Jackson, you got it all tight?
I'm just making sure.
Alright, what did Riker do with those?
Loopers? I'm not sure. Oh, they're right there, babe.
That's not going nowhere. Might want to put some water down in there.
Yeah, we will when we
once
get
it's
in.
inside.
Oh,
It's so pretty.
You're not tall enough.
Oh,
That's twice now.
They gobble every time.
I made it easier for Mom.
good.
That's the silk side.
All right, so now we got a little bit stronger tree. Now we're gonna try to bring this sucker in the house.
Dogs are gonna freak out.
Yes, they are.
Hey.
So we always fight over what goes on the top of the tree, a star or an angel. This year, we decided to put a giant rooster. It's a compass. So we think it's pretty cool. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoy this fun video of us getting a Christmas tree from outside and a bunch of other stuff. Have a happy holidays and a Merry Christmas to all, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye.
bye. Bye.